Hello there, welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining me, my name is Erinayo and you're highly welcome. Today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial and we're going to be using these. Now basically this is expression braiding hair. In case you're wondering, this is not a wave on, this is not an expensive weave, this is expression. This is the actual original. As you can see, it's color blue, so this is what it looks like. So if you want to know how I turned it from this to this, then you have to watch my previous video because that's where the video is. So I start by combing the hair and it's really painful. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to part my hair, and I'm going to look for the center of my head, and I achieved that by starting from the middle of my nose. Oh, that's a very straight line. That's why you see me smiling there. So you just continue and part the line. So next I'm going to go in with gel to apply that to my hair. So I'm just going to weave my hair all the way to the back. If you don't know how to weave hair, you can get somebody to weave it for you. Just two is not much, just two. Anyhow you know how to do it. Basically what I'm just trying to do is trying to part the hair from the left side to the right side. You don't have to really worry if the line is straight or not, because you're still going to crochet it and it's going to be covered. So you just weave it from the left side to the right side, and when you are weaving it, don't make it too tight so that the crochet will be able to enter, especially if you're not a professional. Do not make it too tight, so the crochet will be able to go under it. So basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to connect that one that I braided from left to right to this one at the right side. So I'm just connecting it so I can take it down and braid it to the other side, and that one will be, I will crochet everything that I am weaving except the two at the front. I am cutting it again because I want it to be 3 lines, so at least it will have a little fullness, so it won't be so scanty on my head. I'm cutting it again, so I'm just going to weave that to that side again. So this is the crochet needle we're going to be using. It's a little bit big, and this is the hair piece. Like I said before, if you want to know how I curled this hair, check out my previous video in my channel. So from here, it's very self-explanatory. You can just watch and do it. You put the crochet needle into the hair, and then you take the hair. I have divided the hair into 2, and just place it into the crochet needle, and then you close the latch, you pull it, and then you remove the crochet needle, put your hand into it and put the hair into it. It's very simple and it's very easy. Like I did this hair in less than 2 hours. I think I did it in 1 hour or so. It's very, very, very easy. So guys, this is the finished look. As you can see, I've just done a little nude makeup, and I've laid my edges too, so I'm just going to remove the scarf. Ooh. So you guys should see the back. I didn't make mine too full. Then also you can cut it if you want, but I don't want to cut mine because I probably might use this hairpiece. Oh, look at those edges again. So this is the finished look. Make sure to subscribe if you've not subscribed already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.